Hey, so I called all over the place to try and find someone who could take care of this dent that I had in the back here. It was a hard dent to get out of. It was on a crease, and every other place I went to told me that they'd have to put Bondo on it. And I went all over the Bay Area. I mean, all over the Bay Area, in San Francisco and in the East Bay and everywhere. And every one of them said that they'd have to put Bondo on it and, do that sort of thing. And I didn't want to have to do that. So took it up to Ian and, saw the good reviews on them, and they're justified. 5-star reviews all up and down the Yelp there. So I thought, well, I'm going to take it to him and see what he says about it. He said he could do it. And damn, if he didn't do it, this thing looks perfect. I couldn't believe it, really. It was amazing. And, I'd recommend to anyone, if you really want to get a job done right, talk to Ian.